Hey, motherfucker. The word?
What do you want?
That burrito in the fridge. You have anything to do with that?
Yeah, I had it for supper last night. What was it? Beef and bean, cheese?
Yeah, with extra cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was mine.
Was your name on it?
I thought about putting it on there.
Why didn't you?
I don't know. I didn't feel like eating it at the current moment. Didn't think I had to put my fucking name on it.
Okay, well, instead of actually deciding to think about putting your name on it, why don't you go ahead and actually do it? That way, people like me don't eat your burrito.
Probably because for starters, it was only in there like for 2 weeks.
2 fucking weeks?
Alright. It was 2 weeks. We have a 3-week rule. I don't have to put my fucking name on it unless it's 3 weeks. So unless you want me to kick your ass right now, you better barf it back up.
I'm not barfing anything back up.
And you want me to kick your ass?
It was last night. It's already through my day. You know what? Go check in the toilet. I'm pretty sure it's still there.
I already checked the fucking toilet. Fuck this. I don't have to deal with you. Motherfucker. Check out these moves, huh? What the fuck are you two doing?
He's complaining that I ate his burrito.
He fucking did. We have a 3-week rule. Was it good?
It was delicious.
Fuck, that place closed down 2 weeks ago.
What I'm gonna need. Oh, fuck me.
Fuck you, fuck him, he ate my burrito.
I'm gonna need a lot of Sasquatch piss after this.
The fuck is Sasquatch piss?
It's my own special brand of shine. Don't you get it, boy?
What's it made of?
Well, you take a simple shine, got it? You let it sort of mellow out a while. And then you put a little bit of vodka in it, some rum shot, and a hint of sun. Just for a little extra kick in the balls! See what happens when you break the fridge code?
He didn't even have his name on it.
You didn't have your name on it?
Well, we have a 3-week code. Put your name on it after 3 weeks.
No. Give me that fucking sticks. I can't trust you with them. Listen to me,
I'm listening.
all right? If you do not intend to eat the food item immediately, all right? You either put your name or your mark if you're me and you can't fucking read. And then, after a certain amount of time, if you have not claimed the food item in question, whoever wants it can take it. See what's going on here? Come on. Get the gears going in that little hair of yours. Come on. Come on. Answer. All this over a fucking burrito.
It was a good burrito.
Fuck! Stop! Listen, there was a scream. Didn't you hear that?
I don't hear jack shit.
I mean, I think I heard Susie, but that could be anyone.
But you just named a person.
Oh, I tell every scream I hear is Susie.
Who? Isn't Susie the name of that dog that used to live down the street?
That's not the point. The point is someone just screamed. We should go investigate.
Fucking middle of the night.
You're fucking funny.
Fucking middle of the night.
Let's just go investigate.
Alright.
Go to bed.
If you want to get your fucking ass over here. Now, you two get your baby boy toys.
Yes.
How come
What
he
the
gets the biggest?
Where did you pull that out of? KY?
Your ass? It's about as thick as my dick.
I don't want to know what the resident chickens think about you.
I mean, if we need the
If
dick,
you want to, shut up. All right.
I was just gonna say it's
If we're
inside.
gonna go find, whoever just screamed, they're going to be getting a helping of small, medium, and Viking size.
He's overcompensating.
Yeah.
Okay, go fuck yourself.